In the quiet suburb of Oak Ridge, young Sammy was engrossed in his new mystery book. His room was dimly lit by the gleam of the table lamp, casting long shadows on the wall. Moonlight spilled through the window, creating a serene yet eerie ambience. Sammy's eyes darted from the pages to the window now and then, as if expecting something out of the ordinary. The tranquility of the night was suddenly pierced by the sight of a dark shadow hovering just outside the window. It wasn't merely a shadow, but a form, veiled in mystery and uncertainty. Heart racing, Sammy set the book aside, his gaze fixated on the apparition. A cool breeze rustled the curtains, heightening the suspense in the room. Finding courage, young Sammy decided to call for help. His voice trembled slightly as he shouted for his parents. Within moments, his mother and father rushed into the room, concerned looks etched on their faces. The air was tense, yet Sammy stood by the window with a certain bravery, explaining what he saw. Outside, the local police arrived swiftly, responding to the family's call. Their flashlights scanned the area meticulously. In a hidden corner of the yard, an intruder lurked, crouching low and hoping to avoid detection. The way the police worked efficiently was both mysterious and reassuring, ensuring any danger was kept at bay. The tension reached its peak as the officers closed in on the shadowy figure. With a swift but non-violent confrontation, the police apprehended the would-be thief. Sammy, peering from the window with his parents by his side, couldn't help but feel a sense of triumph. Neighbors, too, gathered around, whispering and pointing. The threat dissipated into a scene of relief and community unity. Later, illuminated by the glow of the living room, parents praised Sammy's courage. With a hand gently resting on his head, they imparted the timeless lesson. In times of fear, speaking the truth and having courage is the greatest strength. With eyes shining with pride, Sammy knew this night would be a story to recount in days to come. The scene was one of warmth and illumination, offsetting the earlier suspense with a bright future.